to see the world's beautiful street in the springtime. Is that a good idea?
Yeah!
So we are gonna see the world's beautiful place because we love the nature, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I see deers in the forest. There. Just away. Those look at beautiful flowers. Look. Yeah, like your tree, Auntie.
Yes.
Yeah, they're white, the same flowers.
Yes, and look at the street. It's full of flower petals.
Oh, look, pink flowers on that tree. Your favorite color. Yeah, my favorite color. Even spiky ones. So many white. Even white. What? Pink. Pink, your favorite. They look so beautiful. Yes, my favorite color. Yeah, and it's so beautiful. Yeah. So many white ones. Yeah, so many white ones. Yeah, more than I want a little more pink flowers. Look. See? Yeah, more. Oh, more pink flowers. That way. No. Other way. See? Pink flowers. Oh, yeah. So many. Yeah. More flowers.
So we are the nature lover, it means?
More pink flowers.
Huh?
And more.
So we are the nature lover, huh?
Yeah.
But we have to be careful also.
More pink flowers. Look, and behind that white tree, I see that with the white flower behind that one and that pink one.
So beautiful. Those are crab apples. Crab apples are the ones which you could eat, but it's not the best one.
Auntie,
Yeah.
when I was one of pink, look, Sarah. Oh yeah, Auntie, when I was one, those are more beautiful. Behind the stop sign, Auntie.
Mhm.
I was one when I was a baby. I touched those poison mushrooms, which I just saw when I was just fruity.
Oh.
What are poison ones? Poison things they put on my stomach.
Yes, the other side is backyard. Oh, the blue jay.
Mama, blue jay. My mom loves it. But my dad loves blue jays. We went around that whole house.
Yes, that's the thing I was thinking we should do one day, correct?
Go around the whole house.
Yeah. Good idea.
Hey, look.
So we are back.
There's
We are back to the beautiful house and beautiful
more beautiful things.
trees and plants. Okay. So how was the tour? Good? Did you all enjoy that?
Yeah.
You all are the nature lover, correct? Okay. Those are the lilacs. Beautiful lilacs. So nature is beautiful, as I told all of you. Nature is so beautiful. So
Так гарно пахне дуже.
These are the cherry trees.
Це є вишня.
So it is.